Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV. For those of you that are new to the show, this is a daily, fast-paced, edgy summary of the best press releases that come out of the small cap world before the open of trading every day, so that you can hopefully profit from some of these companies or just find a great company for a future investment. Now, it's Monday, August the 13th. We've still got quarterly revenues that are coming out, and we got some great ones this morning. We're going to start it off with Pacific Safety Products that trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol PSP. They are reportedly the largest producer of body armor and armor manufacturer in Canada. They came out with their preliminary year. This is to be confirmed with their audited statements. But what they're calling for right now is revenue of just under $40 million, 39.6. EBITDA of $3.5 million, and a net profit before taxes of $2.4 million. Those are some pretty great numbers put up by PSP. They trade on the TSX Venture, and right now they're trading at 90 cents. Next up, let's talk about Genius Products that trades on the OTC under the stock symbol GNPI. They put out their numbers for Q2 and the first half of the year. For the quarter, record revenue, $113 million. GAAP net income, $2.1 million. Here's the great thing. It blows me away. What are they expecting to achieve for the full year? They're calling for a full year revenue of between $525 and $600 million. Those are some pretty big numbers, and you're going to have to do a little more due diligence just to confirm all that, but it's in black and white, and we got to believe that's the case. And they're calling for GAAP profitability. What we like about this company is they also announced a new credit facility of about $30 million through Societe Generale. So this is a great investment bank to be doing work with, and they're putting their money where their mouth is. The company, what do they do exactly? Let me read this. They're an independent home entertainment distribution company. They produce, they license, and they distribute a valuable library of motion pictures, TV programs, family lifestyle, and other DVDs. They're trading at $275 on the OTC. With numbers like that, take a closer look. Next up, Vigil Health Solutions trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol VGL. They put out their numbers for the quarter. Revenue of $904,000 for the quarter. That's a nice number, and they're up 202%. Great growth. I also like the fact that their net loss is way down to $57,000 versus $357,000 for the same quarter last year. Not sure what they do because they didn't put it in the press release, and because we're trying to get these things up before they open, we don't have time to go do any extra due diligence for you. But they're trading at just 3 cents, so this may be one of those undiscovered gems. Next up, Lime Energy trades on the OTC under the stock symbol LMEC. They put out their second quarter numbers. This company is in the energy efficiency and engineering business. Revenues up 207% to $4 million, just over $4 million. Gross profit up 220% to $1.15 million. Net loss is down 56%. They're going to have a net loss of just over $2 million. But we're okay with that because anytime you see revenues on the rise and gross profits on the rise, it means what's probably going on here is they keep investing into the business towards growth. As long as the revenues are up, then we don't mind a net loss on these kind of things. Loss per share was just 4 cents a share, trading at $1.88 on the OTC. Drinks America Holdings trading on the OTC under the stock symbol DKAM. We mentioned them quickly last week for you to take a look at as a little note at the end of one of our shows. But we've got actual news for you. They're an owner, developer, and marketer of premium beverages for renowned icons. You got Donald Trump, Paul Newman, Willie Nelson, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Well, they just took on Trump's super premium vodka line, and they're talking about the first 30 days has already brought them $400,000 in sales. That's pretty nice. And we also got those numbers for you last week that we couldn't get for you. Last week they reported their fiscal year revenue were $6.1 million, an increase of 248%. Nice numbers there, trading at 69 cents. Finally, HC Innovations, trading on the OTC under the stock symbol HCNV, put out their Q2 and first half numbers. Nice numbers here. Revenues up 108% to $2.8 million. Net loss was $1.9 million, compared with a net loss of $831,000 last year at this time. And I think that has to do with increased investment they're making in the business. For the first half of the year, revenues up 88% to $5 million. Net loss 3.3 million versus 1.3 million. Again, as long as we see revenues going up and going up dramatically, we probably realize that unless they're selling their products for a loss, and we haven't seen that since the dot-com days, we probably recognize here that what's happening is the company is reinvesting in its growth and it's working out because the top line is moving. You got to take a look. HCNV Innovations creates value and cost savings for HMOs, nursing homes, and insurance companies, trading at $3 on the OTC. That's a wrap. Now remember, take a closer look at these companies because we can't do all the due diligence for you. But if you need more ideas, don't forget, the AGORACOM marketplace presents over 60 small cap companies where you can find a great summary of each. It's broken down by industry and exchange so you can find exactly what you're looking for and exactly what fits your investing style. That's a wrap. Have a great day and talk to you tomorrow.